Hello students, myself Archana Upadhyay. Now I am going to start past perfect continuous tense and affirmative rule. First of all, we are going to discuss. First of all, the idea of past perfect continuous tense, and that is रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे प्लस टाइम। वह 4 घंटे से अपना काम कर रहा था। इट मीन्स टाइम इज गिवन एंड रहा था इज ऑल्सो गिवन। दैट्स वाई द एग्जाम्पल इज पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस। And the rule for affirmative sentence is, first of all we use subject, then had been, okay, only had been, whether the subject is singular or plural, then verb in ing form. As I have told you, in continuous, wherever the word continuous is used, ing is compulsory in verb. Then object, then since or for. Since for definite time, for indefinite time, and then we use time also. An example is, I had been suffering from fever since yesterday. I is subject, had been, then suffering verb, fever object, since because yesterday is fixed time, so yesterday morning, and time is also given morning, yesterday morning. And I have told you already, since for definite time, for indefinite time. Now we come to negative sentences. In negative sentences, as you know, not is used. First of all, we use subject, then had, then not, then been, then verb in ing form, plus object, plus since or for, and plus time. Example of past perfect continuous negative sentences is, they had not been doing their job for 2 weeks. Okay, they had not been doing their work for 2 weeks. Now we come to interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences, there are two types, WH type or helping verb type. हेल्पिंग वर्ब टाइप स्टार्ट्स विद बट क्या। क्या तुम 4 बजे से अपनी पढ़ाई कर रही थी। और WH वर्ड, तुम कितने बजे से और कितने समय से अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहे थे। नाउ द रूल ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब टाइप, first of all we use had, then subject, then been, after that verb in ing form, then object, then since or for, then time, and then question mark. And when we come to the example, we can see, had she been learning her lesson for 2 days. Had for for helping verb, she subject, been is used for perfect continuous, learning verb in ing, her lesson object, for is used for time. Because it is indefinite time, that's why we are using for, and time 2 days is also given. Now WH type sentences. In WH type, first of all we use WH type word, then helping verb, then subject, then been, then verb in ing form, then object, then since or for, followed by time, and at last question mark. That is compulsory. Why had they been making a noise in the class since morning? Is example of WH word. In my next video, I'll start another tense, that is future. Thank you.